Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to log in OPay without face verification. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So face verification means maybe you are using your iPhone and you don't want to log in through your face verification. So this is how you can actually go about it. I'm actually on Android device, but I'm going to show you how to turn off your face verification on your OPay account on your iPhone. So all you just need to do, just open your OPay account on your iPhone. Then down below, you can see Me section. Just click on Me option right there. Then at the top right, you can see the settings icon. This settings icon at the top. Then you can see login settings. So just click on login settings. They're going to show you these options. You can see password pattern, biometrics. You can see login with fingerprint. So I already turned on fingerprint because Android actually use fingerprint. So what you're going to see is login with Face ID or face verification. So once it's already turned on, you have to turn it off so that you'll be able to log into your OPay without face verification. So that's basically how you can log in OPay without face verification. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.